Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening both spreadsheets and confirming you own or have edit access. This matters because link permissions follow the file. Next, pick the source sheet with the data you want to show elsewhere and the destination sheet where you want live updates. Once chosen, identify the exact sheet name and range, for example Sheet 1, A1, C10, so you can reference it precisely. Doing this now prevents mistakes later and saves time when you create the link. Now you build the link with import range. In the destination sheet type equals import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet 1, A1C10, using the copied URL or just the spreadsheet ID, this tells Google which file and range to pull. Press enter and if prompted, click Allow Access or Connect. That authorizes the destination to read the source. If you need a single cell, use A1. For columns, use AC. Make sure ranges match the data shape you expect. Once the import works, refine it. Wrap import range in query or array formula to filter, sort, or expand results. This changes what you see without altering the source. If you encounter errors, first confirm sharing permissions and exact sheet names. Common mistakes are typos or forgetting quotes around the range. Finally, if the link lags, make sure you only import needed columns or use periodic copies. This reduces recalculation and keeps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.